traveled a lot together, and I'm not saying that you don't snore, but your wife might be really interested in the Smart Nora.
This is kind of interesting. This is a device that actually helps, I guess, chronic snorers out of that habit. And it's actually kind of an ingenious device. Comes in 3 components here. You've got the little insert that you put in your pillowcase underneath your pillow. It also has the little listening device that you put on your nightstand. And then it has the little air compressor here that activates when the listening device starts hearing you snore. So I'm going to pretend that I'm snoring. And again, you'd put this underneath a pillow. But the idea is that when this device hears it, it starts inflating this so that it actually starts shifting your head to hopefully stop you from snoring.
Yeah, if you pull out the insert that's inside of it, you'll actually see that it's got a little air bubble pocket here. And what that does is that completely fills up with air and pushes the plastic up and actually raises the whole device, which ultimately lifts your pillow up in the air and changes the angle of where your head is sleeping, therefore stopping the snoring. And then once you stop snoring, it would all of a sudden deflate and let you back down again.
So it's basically training you not to snore, which is kind of cool. And try not to disrupt your sleeping partner.
Yeah, and the air compressor is really quiet, so it sits beside the bed and pumps things up. And as Mike said, there's a little device, they call it the Pebble. It looks like the size of a mouse.
Looks like a mouse.
Yeah, it has a little microphone in it, and it actually detects for the snoring. You charge it up, and it stays wireless after that. The cost of this thing, around $300 US, so not a small investment, but probably nothing compared to the lossless sleep nights your partner might have with the snoring going on beside you.
Well, check it out on the web. You can get more information about it, smartnora.com.